Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
1 minute.
Who is asking 1 minute?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Good afternoon,
Dear
ma'am.
children, have you all completed question number 20?
Yes.
Everybody,
Yes.
show me your work. Let me see whether you have done or what, all of you. Yes. Adit is showing. Okay. Shwati is showing. Okay. Page number 7.
Ma'am, textbook.
Yes.
Did you see?
Okay. Many Dara, I can see. Rajan, where you have completed
Ma'am,
question
did
number
you see,
20?
ma'am? I completed.
Ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Very Rajan, you have to complete. Zara, where you have completed? Show me your book. Rachel, Mary. Yes. Okay. Rachel, I show. Bhumi, where is your book? Agna, Sunil, where is your book? Sachin. Okay. Sachin. Yes. Ivan, I see. So, dear children, I hope most of you have completed. But most of you have completed, I think. But if you are there to complete, you have to complete it today itself. Okay? Otherwise, you have exam on Wednesday. You can't write properly. So you have to complete today itself. Okay? And last day we have discussed about what is tiling and where do we see tiling? Do we see tiling pattern in parking areas? Isn't it? So Dara, will you say what is tiling? Unmute. Unmute, dear. Wait. Unmute now. Wait, dear. Unmute. Now try to unmute. Dara. Can't unmute? Okay, wait. Now try to unmute. Now also you can't. Try to unmute now. I think some network issue. Wait, others please keep quiet. No, some problem is there with your network, dear. Wait. Ivan, please unmute and say, what is tiling? What is tiling? Covering a surface with I will help you. Don't look here and there. I will help you. Okay. Covering a surface with flat shapes like tiles. Amna, sit properly. Amna, sit properly. Can you hear me? Sit properly. Fold your hands. Ivan, yes, continue. Covering a surface with flat shapes like tiles. Without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Covering a surface with the flat shapes like tiles without any gap or overlap is called tiling. Yes. Now, dear children, and we can see tiling on floors, roof of many buildings such as school, offices, houses, hospitals, all those things, and car parking areas. That also we have discussed. Now, dear children, please turn page number 12. Page number 12. All of you. Page number 12. Page number 12. In that, question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21. A. 1A, 6B, 11C. Savio, please unmute.
Yes.
Okay. 1A, 6B, 11C. What will come next?
16.
Yes, because here 5 is adding with a each term. Okay, so 16.
Ma'am, I will add with my finger.
Ah, yes, very good. 16. Then next number what will be? What will the next number?
21.
Yes, 21. Very good. Next number? 21 plus 5?
26.
Very good. 26. What about the letters? A,
D.
B, C. What will come next?
D.
D. Then
E.
E. Then
F.
F. Okay, very good. Next. Thank you, Savio. Hari Govind, unmute. Hari Govind, unmute. Okay. 1A, 5C, 9E. What will come next? 1, 5, 9. First, we can consider the numbers. It's 1, 5, 9. Then
4.
4 is adding with each number. 4 is adding, isn't it? So 9
Yes.
plus 4, what we will get? 9 plus 4?
13.
Yes, 13. Next to 13 plus 4?
17.
17. 17 plus 4?
21.
Yes, very good. 21. Then A, after A, B is not there, C. After C, D is not there, E. Then after E? After E, what will come next? F is not there,
D.
G.
D.
Then next, H is not there,
I.
I. Very good. After I, J is not there. J is not there. Hari, J is not there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. After J, what is the letter?
K.
J is not there. K.
K.
So dear children, please complete that. 16 here, 16D, 21E, then 26F. After that, 13G, 17I, 21K. And next, dear children, we have to make a pattern. First one, A, repeat each shape twice. Twice means what, dear children? Twice. Twice means?
2 times.
Ah, yes, 2 times.
2 times.
You have to repeat the shape, each shape 2 times. Very easy. So you can draw diamond shape. Then the other shape.
And we want to write.
You have to draw.
Ma'am, we want to draw now.
Yes. Try to complete now itself. So if those who can't see, some network issue will be there. Please wait.
I can see.
Okay. And continue like this.
See.
Like this, you have to continue. Dear children, you have to draw one more here. I don't have space, so I am stopping over here. And next question. Ashwati. Ashwati should help me for doing next question. Okay?
Ma'am.
Here, next question, you have to make a pattern with the numbers. You should begin with a 2. We should begin with a 2. So, clearly the first term should be what? Sorry? What will be the first term? 2. And to get next term, you have to add 2. So, 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2,
4. Yes, 4. To get next term, you have to subtract 1. That means minus 1.
3.
Ah, yes, 3. Again, what do you want to do to get next term? Again, you have to, again,
Add 2.
add 2. So, 3 plus 2?
5.
5. Again, what do you want to do?
Subtract 1.
Oh, yes, very good. What we will get? What we will get?
4.
4. Again, to get next term, what do you want to do?
8.
Add 2 more.
Yes, very good. So 4 plus 2, 6. Get next term, what do you want to do again?
Subtract 1.
Very good. Subtract 1. So what you will get?
5.
5. So like that, we'll continue.
You send in the WhatsApp.
Yes, I'll be sending through WhatsApp. Who didn't understand this one, dear? Here, you have to, first term, you have to add 2. Then, to get the next term. And you have to subtract minus 1 in the next term to get the next term. Like that, we are doing alternately like this to get the next term. Okay?
Yes.
Have you understood now, dear?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to write this. This one. Wait. I will write once more. 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5. Now, dear children, Now we can discuss. Now we can discuss the practice question first chapter, because I told you to do as a homework. Try to do those questions. Have you all done that?
Yes.
Everybody has done?
Yes.
We can discuss the answers. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, no need to copy this one again. I will practice questions. Dear children, this one. State the diagonal sides and vertices of the given figure. Yes, Aishwarya, unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, you can name the diagonals. So are the diagonals. Sorry? BD. BD and AC. Very good. Diagonals. BD. AC. Okay. Which all are the vertices? Will you name the vertices? Sorry? A, B, C, and D. Will you name the sides? Sides. Okay. Sorry? A, B, B, C, C, D, then D. A. Very good, very good, very good. Now, next page, question number 2. Question number 2. Draw an open figure. Draw an open figure. How you can draw any shape. There should be an opening, or we don't want to meet the starting point and end point. Okay, only that much. Now, next question. Name the diagonals of the given figure. Wait, Amit, please unmute. Amit. Will you name the diagonals of the figure? It's not clear. I will write for you. You have to give a name for the figure first. I will help you. I just given a name as PQRS. You can give any name as you like, but I have given PQRS. Will you name the diagonal of the figure?
PQRS.
Amit, diagonals means inside the figure, the lines inside the figure. Amit, do you know?
PRQ.
Sorry?
PRQS.
Very good. PRQS. Good. Now, Pius Roni. Pius Roni. Where you went here? Pius. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you name 3 two-dimensional shapes?
Ma'am, which page?
Where were you, dear? Page number 6. Will you name any 3 two-dimensional shapes? Do you know? Pius, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you name any three-dimensional shape?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Dear, do you know any flat shape, any two-dimensional shape? Name of? Christina, help him. Give any two-dimensional shapes name. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, any shape you can write. Triangle, rectangle, rectangle, square, any shape you can write. Now, next question, can we draw a diagonal AC in triangle ABC? Adit, can we draw a diagonal in triangle ABC?
No.
No, because triangle has no diagonals. Yes, very good. Mute. Now you can mute. Mute your audio, dear. Okay, now it's okay. Now, Agnel Sunil. Next question goes to Agnel Sunil. Unmute. Wait. Wait here.
Ma'am.
Unmuted.
Ma'am.
Agnel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, find the number of vertices and diagonals of each of the following. Square. How many vertices are there, dear? For a square?
4.
4. How many diagonals?
2.
2. Very good. Then, rectangle, how many vertices are there?
No vertices.
Rectangle, I am asking, I am not asking about triangle, I am asking about rectangle.
Yes.
How many?
4.
Sorry?
4.
4. How many diagonals?
2.
Very good, very good. Now, Evelyn, please unmute. Unmute. Yes. For a circle, how many vertices are there, dear? Circle.
0 vertices, ma'am.
How many diagonals are there?
0 diagonals.
Very good. For a triangle, how many vertices are there? For a triangle?
Triangle, ma'am. No vertices.
Vertices, not diagonals. Diagonals, I am asking vertices. How many vertices are there?
3.
3. How many diagonals are there?
0.
0. Good, very good. Now, where is our Malavika? Malavika, unmute. Okay. Dear children, next question is, find the basic shape of the following object, like TV, mobile phone, ball, notebook. Dear children, when basic shape is asked, you have to consider the two-dimensional shapes. Don't give three-dimensional shapes as answers. Okay? So, Malavika, what is the basic shape of a TV?
Rectangle.
Amna, sit properly. Fold your hands. Rectangle. A basic shape of a TV is rectangle. Dear, you can write square also. Rectangle or square. Okay. Thank you, dear. Good. Then Akshay, what is the basic shape of a mobile phone?
Rectangle.
Yes, very good. Rectangle. Now, to whom I will ask? Amna, what is the basic shape of a ball? 2D shape. What is the basic shape of a ball?
Ma'am,
Hey, let her say answer. Others, please don't. She was not listening here. Amna,
Ma'am.
what is the basic shape of a ball?
Circle.
Hmm? Listen here, okay? Amna. Dear, have you understood? Who will help you? Wait. Rachel will help you. Rachel, what is the basic shape of a ball? Unmute. Yes. Yes, very good. It's circle. Very good. Now, what is the basic shape of a notebook, dear? Rachel?
Square.
Square?
Square.
Rectangle or square? Square also you can say. Commonly we can see as rectangle or square. Both are correct. Okay. So have you understood, Amna?
Book is a rectangle.
Rectangle or sometimes it will be in square also. Okay. Amna, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Pay attention over here. Okay. Now, Preet.
Next one.
How many pieces do you find in a 10-gram puzzle? Oh, cold is there?
No.
Okay. If it is there also, no problem. It won't be corona. Preet, how many pieces do you find in a 10-gram puzzle? Dear, your textbook you can see 10-gram pieces. How many pieces are there? Who knows the answer? Who knows answer? Yes, Savio, you can. Unmute.
7.
Yes, dear children, you can see the picture in your textbook. There will be 7 pieces. Okay. Now, next question. How many rectangular faces does the following shape has? Rectangular faces. They are asking rectangular faces. Sachin, unmute. Sachin, unmute. Sachin, can you hear me? Sachin? Sachin, can you hear me? Sachin, can you hear me? I think he has some. Can you hear me? Sachin? No, I think. Agnivesh, please unmute. I'll come to you later, Sachin. Now, Agnivesh. How many rectangular faces does the following shape has? Cube. How many rectangular faces a cube has?
6.
Rectangle. For a cube, all the faces will be in what shape?
Square.
Sorry?
Square. 6. Square.
All the faces will be in square shape. So how many faces a cube has?
6. 6.
Square faces, sorry, rectangular faces. Any rectangular faces will be there, dear children, for a cube.
6.
Rectangular means rectangle shape faces will be there for a cube? No. So for a cube, the faces will be, number of rectangular faces will be 0. 6 faces will be there. It will be in square shape. Okay. Now, Rajan, unmute. How many rectangular faces a cuboid has? Cuboid. How many rectangular faces will be there for a pencil box? Sorry? 8 will be there. Check your eraser or pencil box. How many faces are there? How many rectangles you can see?
5.
Only 5.
7.
Once more you count. 4 only.
8.
Dear,
6.
6 will be there. Okay, Rajan. 6 rectangular faces will be there for a cuboid. For cube, no rectangular faces, all the faces will be square. Okay. Next, no Suhim. Unmute. Unmute dear. How many vertices does a cone have? How many vertices?
3, ma'am.
Cone shape. Birthday cap. Let no say answer. Others please keep muted. No, please unmute.
2.
Please unmute new.
Yes, ma'am.
How many vertices does a cone have? Cone means birthday cap. How many vertices are there? How many corners are there?
Ma'am.
Sorry?
2.
1. How many corners are there? 1. Only 1 vertex or 1 corner. Okay. So, dear children, we have completed chapter 1 practice questions. Also, so for the exam, you have to study chapter 1, all the workbook exercises, plus practice questions, textbook exercises, and what all things are in the note, that also you have to study. But chapter 2 patterns, you can study workbook problems, but no need to study practice question. And textbook problems also you don't want to study. We will be discussing it later. Okay? Thank you, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have you understood today's
Bye,
Have you
bye,
understood
ma'am.
today's
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
questions? Okay.
One doubt.
See you next day.
One doubt.
Who has one doubt?
One doubt.
Who is asking it? Yes.
Adit. Only 6, ma'am.
Sorry? Adit?
And cube have only 6 faces.
Yes, cube has 6 faces, but rectangular, no rectangular faces. All the faces are square. Okay.
We have to write in 0.
Yes, you have to write the 0. Okay.
And our time is over.
Yes, I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear.